It's a 2013 Ford Fusion. Respond to the mundane with this stimulating Fusion. It has the composed ride, sharp handling, and safety features you're looking for in a midsize sedan. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, continuously variable automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com finds its light steering yields ample feedback, and the whole package changes direction with remarkable ease. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.